Hi everybody, and welcome back to Living Between Paychecks Kitchen. I'm Oz, that's Jack. And we're continuing our tribute to the sandwich today. This is day 2 of our mini-sodes dealing with sandwiches for people that just can't put it together. See what I did there? The sandwich? Whatever. Alright, so today we're going to start with something really basic, super simple, but some people just can't wrap their heads around it. I'm looking at you, you know who you are. And let's get into it. Bologna sandwich time. Alright, you're going to need some stuff. Alright, I want you to pay attention. Take notes if you gotta, because you might be dumb. Alright, so this is bread. You're going to want 2 slices, because, yeah, 2. Because, come on.
Can you fold
And then
one?
you're going to need bologna. You don't fold bologna.
You don't fold bologna?
And then you're going to need American cheese. Comes in regular and Caucasian. And you can get that. And then you're going to want some kind of condiments. You can use mustard, mayo, both, neither, whatever. It's up to you. So, if you want it, if you're broke, put salt and pepper on it. Dad, I'm watching you. Just a little bit of salt. Alright, so let's get done. Alright, so get your magic flathead screwdriver out of the drawer. And then get bread. This is really thick bread, which kind of surprised me that we got it this way. Bread. And then you get your mayo. Now, you don't want to clump on a whole bunch of mayo. Like, you just kind of fill in the holes, like putty it down, like you're putting Bondo on a car. Like, you just want to make it as smooth as possible, and that's it. Not too much, because you don't want to bite into it and end up with a mouthful of white stuff.
You see, when I was a kid, we actually lived off of mayonnaise sandwiches.
And you take your white bread. Alright, now you got to put this on here. Don't turn it like this and be a jackass, because then you're going to break off the edges of your cheese, and that's bad. So then you put it square like this, just like the bread. Right? Easy. Super easy. Then when you get your bologna out, you got to open this up. Now, don't forget the fucking bologna string. Oh, that's just kind of wiggles. Right? Get this string off. Don't eat it. Don't feed it to your dog.
What is that string?
It's the outside of the sausage casing that they use. Now, put the round one. It doesn't matter which corner it is, because it's round. It ain't got no corners. So just put it there.
How observant.
Now, here comes the tricky part. Pay attention. You take this and put it mayonnaise side down and put it on top of your bologna. There you go.
Yeah.
So there you have it. Put some pretzels or chips next to it to kind of taste the taste of bologna out of your mouth.
Get rid of the bologna taste.
It makes it taste less like horrible. But you can make like a dozen sandwiches with this, and it's super simple and it's really, really cheap. So if you only got like a week to live,
if you got to feed minions, there you go.
And there you have it, the whitest of white people foods, the bologna sandwich with mayo on the white bread. So American cheese. But it's cheese, and it's good, and it's cheap, and if you're broke and you're trying to make it, you got like $3 and you got to make it 2 weeks, you love you up some bologna. You get in there and you eat it like a champ. That's bologna. That's how you live when you're broke. A lot of people don't know that, but now you do. So if you just now broke and you knew to being broke, you weren't raised on that broke, you weren't made and created by it, formed by it. You didn't see bologna until you were a full-grown man. Now you know. So, you can catch us on YouTube, Tuesdays and Fridays. Well, you can catch us anytime, but we upload stuff on Tuesdays and Fridays at Living Between Paychecks Kitchen, right here on YouTube. You can find us over on Instagram at Living Between, Facebook at Living Between Paychecks Kitchen there. You can also find us on Pinterest at Living Between Paychecks Kitchen, or on Patreon if you want to help us out. You kind of see what we're doing, and you want to teach more people how to do the bologna sandwiches. Also, remember we have our cast iron giveaway. You can share one of these videos as long as it's got the tag of Texas Cast Iron Giveaway and you're a subscriber. We'll put you in here. We're going to announce that on October 1st. Be sure to like, share, subscribe. Share this to your friends that want to know how to make a bologna sandwich, that are just privileged and never grew up with that meat. And we'll see you next time.
Meat.